If you have the DJI Flip and you're looking for some cool filters to capture that motion blur to get rid of the sun glare, MINGVEN have some great neutral density filters right here. These things range from ND16, you have an ND64, all the way up to ND256, and also gives you a CPL, a polarizer lens as well. So what these are going to do is you're going to put these things on, they act as sunglasses. So if it's really bright out, it will cut the light from the sun coming into your sensor. It'll make the shutter work a little bit harder, giving that motion blur. So if you're capturing something with motion, maybe a car driving by, or you're following someone running or something like that, that subject's going to be clear, and then the rest of it's going to be blurry. So you won't see like the cracks on the road as much and all of that stuff. So really, really cool filters, easy to just snap right on to the lens itself, and also just squeeze to pull right off. The CPL is great to get rid of any glare. If you have windows or if you're flying over water and that sun is just beating down on it and it has that really big glare to it, that will cut that down. These are really nice filters all in all, and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.